Hello students. Uh, Today I'm going to discuss another problem on electrostatics. Uh, According to the question, in the question it is given a particle of charge minus q and mass m moves in a circle of radius r around an infinitely long line charge of linear charge density plus lambda, then time period will be. Okay, so we have a linear charge density lambda of this infinitely long line charge. So let this be the long line search. Okay, extends up to infinity. This is also extend up to infinity, and there is a charge minus q. Here is the minus q charge, which will rotate about this infinitely long linear charge system in a circular path. Okay, like this. It is given like this. This is the minus q. It is having the plus lambda charge density. Another distance r. Given it is given r. So at the distance r, we know that electric field due to this infinitely long charge system kiman hobo? This is your electric field lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. So this is the electric field at the distance r from the line charge. Okay, it is radially outward, away from the line charge. Direction is away from the line charge. Okay, so if electric field here is E equal to, at all the points electric field is lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r along this direction. Now the force experienced by this minus q at this point will be lambda q divided by 2 pi epsilon naught r towards the line charge. How? Towards the line charge. This is the force on minus q charge. Okay, the force on minus q charge. So this force experienced by this minus q will provide the required centripetal force to the charge minus q to rotate around this infinitely long line charge. Okay, and we can equate this with the lambda q by 2 pi epsilon naught r. This is your F centripetal. Okay, this F centripetal we can write it as mr omega square. Is it? So from this, lambda q divided by 2 pi epsilon naught r is equal to mr. Omega is your 2 pi by t, right? T is the time period here. 2 pi by t whole square. And if you go for more calculations, you will get lambda q by 2 pi epsilon of r equal to m r 4 pi square by t square. আৰু আমাক কি সুধিছিলে টাইম পিৰিয়ড? সুধিছিলে এইটো টাইম পিৰিয়ড. We are asked with the time period of the surge around the infinitely long surge. So এইটোৰ পৰা আমি টাইম পিৰিয়ড কিমান পাম? t square is equal to mr 2 into 4, it is 8 pi into pi square, pi cube, 8 pi cube mr square epsilon naught divided by lambda cube. Okay, so this implies t equal to this one 2 root 2, I think 8 cube 2 root 2 pi cube m r, we can take it common outside r, m epsilon naught pi cube m epsilon naught by lambda cube. Okay, so time period is given in terms of what? Let me see. Two pi r t square is equal to, this will be the correct answer. Let me put this as mr from this. This is also okay. This is a answer, but option in the option it is not there. So in order to match the options, we need to go in other way around. From this এটোৰ পৰা আহিব লাগিব, এটোৰ পৰা যেতিয়া আহিম তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? এটো t equal to হৈ যাব আমাৰ mr square, এটো ঠিকে থাকিব। তাৰপিছত আমি লিখিম 4 pi square, তাৰপিছত আহিব 2 pi epsilon naught, r টোক লগ মাতিলে কৰি দিলো, divided by lambda cube. Okay, lambda cube. Then আমি কি লিখিম? এটা আমি লিখিব পাৰো mr square pi, ইয়াৰে pi 2 pi square to আমি এটো লগ লগাই দিম 2 pi square 2 pi square. Okay, next লিখিম আমি 4 pi epsilon naught divided by lambda cube. এটো মই তলত লৈ আহিলে কি হৈ যাব? mr square 2 pi square by k lambda cube. Okay, এটো হবে mr square by k lambda cube. এতিয়া আমি r টো বাহিৰত লৈ আহিব পাৰো, r we can take it common. Okay, আমি যদি ইয়াত 2 এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰো, ইয়াত 2 এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰো, 2 এটা বাহিৰত আহি যাব, pi square পৰা pi আহিব, 2 pi r আহিব, আৰু ৰুট ওভাৰ ওপৰত থাকি যাব মান কিমান? m, কাৰণ 2 বাহিৰত ওলাই আহিল, স্কয়াৰ r স্কয়াৰ pi square m by 2k lambda cube. So time period is this one. This will be the option answer. So option to কোনটো মিলিব? Twice pi r. The option is this one. The correct option is first one. This is the correct option. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this problem.